how he reacts to the dogs. Throwing toys and everything. There's a lot of running around. Yes, I know, you want to play. Django saddle. You can get a little wider, so you get the dogs in there too. You're a nice boy. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Good boy. You're a nice boy. Good man. Good man. Good boy. Come here. These guys running all around you. Nice play. Come on, up. Come on. Look here. Tonto, don't push for that. Really those two that you're most interested in. Not really the bigger ones. Ball, Max, good boy. Good boy, Max. Good boy, Max. Nice boy. Good boy, Max. No biting Kino in the butt. He's very little. Good boy, Max. You're fine. Oh, Toby, jumping for the ball. Hey, boy, good night.
Oh, you lazy bitch.
Good boy, Maxie. That's okay.